just landed in Hawaii and we're staying at Aulani and it's so pretty, and I'm here with Yasmin and Vivi, and we are going to be walking to show you guys the view, and it's just so pretty. Let me just show you guys. Ooh, I think that's the pool. That is so pretty. So relaxing. Yeah, it does. Nice. And the buildings are huge.
Oh wow, I love it.
Oops. I wonder where our room is going to be, if it's going to be over here or over here. We don't know. But we are going to check into the hotel, and then we are definitely going to do a room tour for you guys and show you like how the room looks and everything. But it's actually not that hot right now.
It's not.
Yeah, it feels actually really good. Oh. Yeah. Okay, so we'll check back up with you guys once we head into the room. Okay, we made it to the beach and it looks so amazing, and I'm with everyone. And let me show you guys this view. It's amazing. And Vivi's recording me. It's so warm. I like sink in.
I know, right?
It's so pretty and the sun is setting, and we're going to get here to watch the sunset. And they have like a perfect view of the water. Right. Oh my gosh. It's like you sink in so easily.
Ready? I'm gonna jump.
Okay.
Ready?
Go. That was so lame. Oh, that's cute.
Hey,
G plus A.
Footprint right here.
That's like perfect right here.
We should leave this for
Baby, look! They're like perfect fish right here. Look. Look. There's two of them. There's one right here, and then there's this one.
Oh, I thought you meant real fish.
That's no, not real fish. No, don't mess it up.
Why would you tell me?
I know, I wanted to just say,
I was like, how are there real fish?
I know. Okay. My finger's dirty. I wrote our names. Look at the palm trees, that looks pretty.
It looks so pretty out here. What time is it? So it is currently 6:22. The sun is still out, so we're still out here.
Like barely out.
Gonna try to catch the sunset. But this is the hotel we're staying at, Aulani.
There's a fish.
The Disney Hotel. As of tomorrow at 3, she'll be my wife forever and always. So I'm excited for that.
Okay, we're gonna take pictures here.
Oh wow.
What? I wonder if it like actually goes out. It's huge. That would be cool to sit on there.
Where?
On there.
Oh, let's film.
It's cool, huh?
Yeah, it's super cool. What is it?
I think like you actually can go out on it.
Like the wedding song of the year.
You off of your feet.
I'm gonna tear up.
23.
Dancer.
For me, I'm Come on. Aubrey, do it. Aubrey, come on. Take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Come on.
You're never gonna see us before we're here.
Come on, Aubrey.
Oh my god! Look at your face! Daisy's finally here! Hi guys! And Phoebe. Okay, so we just got to our room and it's so cool. It's a 2-bedroom suite and it has its own kitchen. So here is the kitchen and it has like its own little seats and table, and someone left the iron out. And then here's the living room, and then over here is the bedroom. It has 2 beds. And then over here is the restroom, and then we have 2 balconies. It's okay. And then over here,
Come on.
ooh, this is so cool. This is my favorite room because it has like the coolest thing and their restroom, and it has like these doors and they open up to the restroom and it's so neat. And then in here it has like a lot of closet space, which is really cool, and then a shower and bathtub.